Hey boys and girls, I just wanted to go back over the clock with you. I went and got Brand's clock so it looks exactly like yours. And remember, we've been talking about time to the hour and to the half hour. Now, remember I told you a clock has a face, and on that face it has two hands. This long hand right here is the minute hand. This short hand right here is the hour hand. Alright, on your clock you have numbers, okay? And it goes from 1 all the way to 12. Alright, if you look though between the 12 and the 1, there are 4 red lines. That represents 4 minutes. 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute. When we hit the 1, it's 5 minutes. 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 9 minutes. When we hit the 2, it's 10 minutes. That's why we tell you that whenever you're learning your times, to skip count by 5s with each number that you touch. Okay? Alright, so remember, whenever you're telling time to the hour, your minute hand is always on the 12. Your hour hand is whatever hour of the day it is. Alright, so what I want you to do is take your clock, and I want you to show me 3 o'clock. That's what time we would normally get out of school. So let's keep our minute hand on the 12, and let's move our hour hand to where it's pointing towards the 3. And there you have 3 o'clock right there. Alright, now let's practice to the half hour. Let's say 3:30. Well, this is 3 o'clock. Our hand is right here pointing towards the 3. So the closer it gets to the 6, which is half past, which will be half past 3, your hour hand will start moving to where it's halfway between the 3 and the 4. That means that our hand is getting ready to get to the 4 o'clock hour, but it hasn't made it there yet. So on your clock, what you do is you move your hour hand to the 6. I know it's a little tricky, but we'll get it there, to the 6, and let's move our hour hand to where it's between the 3 and the 4, just like this. And this is half past 3. That means we're halfway to 4 o'clock. Alright, so my hour hand is between the 3 and the 4. My minute hand is right here on the 6, and this is how we show 3:30, or half past 3. I want you to practice with this. Just take and have your mama or daddy call out some times to the hour or to the half hour. So they may say, show me 6 o'clock. Well, to show 6 o'clock, move your long hand, which is the minute hand, up to the 12, your hour hand down to the 6. They may say, okay, show me 6:30. 6:30, we move our minute hand to the 6, and our hour hand is between the 6 and the 7, just like that. So I just want to give you another brief lesson on time to the hour and to the half hour. Practice. A lot of times boys and girls get confused when it's the half past or telling time to the half hour. So have your mama, your daddy, or a brother or sister kind of call out some times for you to practice on your little clock. Okay? I hope y'all have a great Easter, a wonderful spring break, and I can't wait to see y'all. I love y'all. Bye.